Our last organizational challenge is managing and monitoring participant progress. And I think some of you mentioned that when we did our brainstorming chat. That there's a problem when we're teaching people over the course of several weeks or several months that our students can get lost in cyberspace. What am I supposed to be doing now? And they start to schedule the live time into their calendar, but the asynchronous stuff is seen as unimportant. And actually that's a problem we run into all the time, that people find that their blended learning experience is run by their Outlook calendar or their Lotus Notes calendar. If it's not on their calendar, they don't have time to do it. And they don't make the time, including myself, I'm just as guilty for the self-paced work. So it gets down to how do we make each part just as important, and how do we keep our participants from getting lost? Well, one of the things we can do is assess all components of the blend. I don't necessarily mean test, but assess. There's an activity, there's a knowledge check, maybe there's a test, maybe there's a breakout activity, maybe there's a small group email breakout, something that makes sure that people have the information they need in order to move on to the next piece of content. If there's some kind of knowledge check or assessment, then participants will generally get that work done because they'll see it's important. We do want to keep in contact with our participants, and one of the ways you can do that is to publish your communication plan ahead of time. How often will you be communicating? Where can people go to get information? What should they expect? And tied into that is a course map. And a course map is a picture of what a course looks like. Where's the asynchronous or self-paced component? Where's the live component? When should I expect to do homework? When should I be on the phone? So a timeline to help people manage not just the live time, but the self-paced time as well.